Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can turn something as simple as your daily drive into a brand new stream of income using AI and a dashcam. This is a faceless side hustle that anyone can do, and it's already making some people thousands of dollars every single month. So let's break it down step by step. Every time you drive, your dashcam is recording. Normally, that footage just sits there. Maybe it helps in case of an accident, but most of the time, it never gets used. But here's the thing, people love watching dashcam compilations online. Road rage, crazy drivers, near misses, wild weather, or even just beautiful scenic drives. These videos rack up millions of views on YouTube. And here's where AI comes in. Instead of spending hours editing, blurring license plates, and creating flashy titles, AI tools can automate almost the entire process. You have two options. Use your own dashcam footage from daily driving. Build a community where other drivers send you clips. This is how big channels get endless free content. Either way, you'll never run out of material because new crazy stuff happens on the road every single day. Normally, editing dashcam videos takes forever, but AI tools like Runway, Pictory, or Capwing AI can cut clips, remove boring parts, add zooms, slow motion, and even blur license plates automatically. This means you can upload compilations multiple times per week with very little effort. And here's a pro tip. Recycle your best clips into YouTube Shorts. Those 20-second instant karma moments often go viral and bring thousands of new subscribers. Some dashcam channels are silent, but adding narration or captions can make your videos stand out. AI voices from tools like Murph.ai or 11 Labs sound just like real people, so you don't even need to talk on camera. Add bold captions with emojis, and your watch time will go way up. Here's where the money comes in. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube lets you turn on ads. Dashcam channels are binge-worthy, so hitting that milestone often happens fast. But ads are just the beginning. You can also drop Amazon affiliate links to dashcams and car accessories in your description. Get sponsorships from insurance apps or dashcam companies once your channel grows. Sell compilation clips to news agencies or licensing sites if something goes viral. With just one car, one dashcam, and a bit of AI editing, you can open up multiple income streams. Use emotional, curiosity-driven titles like Road Rage Caught on Camera, Instant Karma Edition. Create eye-catching thumbnails with big arrows, red circles, or shocked faces. Upload 2 to 3 times per week for best results. Always remind viewers to submit their own clips. This gives you unlimited content without driving every day yourself. So what's possible? Small channels with 10,000 subscribers can pull in a few $100s a month. Mid-sized channels with 100,000 subscribers often earn $2,000 to $5,000 per month just from ads. And the biggest dashcam channels with over 1 million subscribers can make $15,000 or more every month, combining ads, sponsorships, and affiliate sales. All from turning everyday driving footage into entertainment. So if you already drive every day, why let that footage go to waste? With AI editing, AI narration, and a little strategy, you can build a faceless YouTube channel that earns passive income while you live your life. Imagine this, you hit record on your dashcam, let AI do the editing, upload a few videos per week, and start collecting ad revenue. Simple, scalable, and surprisingly fun. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-making tips, and let me know in the comments, would you try launching a dashcam YouTube channel? And that's it. Another way to use AI plus a dashcam to create real income online.